She has an entire lump on the side of her head right here, and she's gonna tell me it's because your daughter ran her mouth.
And she hit me, so I ran up on her and hit her back.
This is why you should never attack an 11-year-old at a public park as an adult. On April 18th, the Canton, Ohio Police Department was called to a public park for an incident involving a 19-year-old woman and an 11-year-old girl. The suspect allegedly struck the girl's head against the metal portion of a playground slide multiple times. Officers detained the woman at the scene while she was arguing with the victim's mother. During the arrest, the woman allegedly made a disturbing comment about the child, prompting the mother to run toward her before officers also took the mother into custody.
What's going on, guys?
This grown woman curb stomped my daughter at the park.
And they got it all on video.
Knocked her unconscious.
Okay.
And she has it all recorded right here. A friend recorded the entire thing. She has an entire lump on the side of her head right here, and she's gonna tell me it's because your daughter ran her mouth.
Okay. Where do you guys live?
Her and the other girl that was with her.
All black and nasty ass booty shorts.
All right, if you guys do me a favor, just go down here a little bit, okay? Appreciate it.
Go down by our car, and we'll have the medics meet you down there, okay? 246.
246.
It's clear for medics. I'm having the victim go down by my cruiser if you'll let them know. Suspect house is going to be 1637. I'm trying to make contact now.
Copy.
In there, cat.
Is this 2 units?
No, it's one.
It's 1 unit?
One big one.
So are you the one? Are you
No, I'm not the one. She's upset. So what happened? That little girl was hitting her first. Like
Okay.
she put her hands on Destiny first.
So I understand that she's upset, but we gotta talk to her, okay?
She
Can you let
won't
her know?
come out.
She
She's
won't
afraid
come
she's
out?
gonna go to jail.
Well, if she doesn't come out and talk to us, it's a much bigger problem.
Search for him.
I'm gonna go tell her.
Okay. As of right now, we're just talking to people, but if she doesn't come out, that's called obstruction.
All right.
I said, you got to talk to her.
What's that, sir?
I tried to tell her, I said, you got to
Yeah.
talk to her.
Yep. Absolutely.
And I told her, I knew the law's different because I was 12 and a half years in the military police.
Okay. Yep.
These guys are civilians. They know what they're talking about.
Yeah. Yeah. Things are a little different.
Yeah, right.
Thanks for your service. What branch?
Army,
All right. Yes, sir.
active duty.
There you go. 12 years. All active.
12 and a half years for my back got screwed up.
Yeah.
You got to go.
Yep.
After a few minutes of pleading, the sister finally convinced the suspect to come out of the house.
Are you Destiny?
Yep.
All right, Destiny. I need you to tell me what's going on, okay?
Little girl started running her mouth,
Mm-hmm.
and she hit me, so I ran up on her and hit her back.
Okay. And this happened at the park?
Mm-hmm.
What did she say to you, and then how did she hit you? I need you to kind of break me down the whole story, okay?
Like this, and then she was sitting there calling her a fat ass, and then sitting there calling us both fat asses and everything out of the book. And then that's how it went down.
And then she came up to you, slapped you in the face? Where?
In the face.
In your face? Open hand?
Open hand.
Okay. And then you struck back, and that's kind of what happened?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now they did call us yesterday or the day before to come down to the park and get them. It was a whole...
Well, so when did this happen today, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what happened?
So she's saying that she was running her mouth to them. They started yelling back and forth. She slapped her.
How old are you?
19.
So the kid hit you?
Yes.
Okay. What happened after that? Where were you guys
We
at?
started fighting.
At the park.
We was up at the park on the thing, and I ran up to her because she was talking my shit, so I talked my shit back. She hit me, and I hit her back. That's all
How'd you hit her back?
All I did was smack her in the face and start smacking her around.
You didn't do nothing else?
No.
What if I told you it's all on video and I just watched
I don't
it?
care.
So you're gonna be under arrest. Stand up.
See,
and
I
put your hands on
told
your
you,
back.
bro.
Stand up and put your hands on your back.
Look at her laughing and smiling and shit. Just know people are coming after you, ho. No people are coming after you. No people are coming after you.
I would
homie.
recommend not saying anything to further incriminate yourself.
She needs to shut the. Nobody asked her to run her suckers. Nobody asked you to run your suckers. And that grown ass man trying to still threaten me too. Oh, I'll die in jail and you'll make sure of it. You sound so happy for
You set her
yourself.
up before I get involved in that.
Yeah,
We're
she
going to
needs to
advise
shut
right
up
now.
before she gets smacked.
Hey, cross the street for me, please. Thank you.
She thinks she's so cute. And I hope your daughter
I'm just getting my car up.
Go ahead, hit me.
Stop! Hey, hey, hey!
Let her hit me. Let her hit me.
Stop! Hey, hey, hey!
Let her hit me. Let her hit me. She really just said she don't want to die. Please tell my fiance to get my youngest. It's okay, Waylon.
Where are you guys at?
Take Waylon home, please, and call my grandpa for Liliana.
Over here?
Lizzo, she just said, you know my daughter died? I hope we go to the same pod.
You can't try to assault someone in front of the police.
I'm sorry. You're right.
I'm not saying what she said was right.
She stopped my daughter, and I'm so
I understand.
I'm trying so hard. I'm sorry. I'm trying so hard to hold my
Just
daughter.
be pressed for now, okay? We're just going to sit you down here.
And my youngest is right there.
Do you have anything on you?
No, not at all.
Nothing illegal, no weapons,
No.
right? Okay.
I don't even know socks on, for Christ's
I
sake.
understand. Go ahead and take a seat, okay?
No, you're not going to do nothing about it. She needs food. She's picking up her grandbaby. You're not going to do anything at all for you. She is picking up her grandbaby. She needs food. We come over. They're right there, Dave. I love you, Dave. I love you, Grandma.
You have anything else on you in there?
Nope.
What the fuck is going on?
Everyone's yelling at each other about their kids and all this shit. And then,
Who is she? Is she a juvenile or is she an adult?
and no, we have adult, 19. She's an adult.
I've been down
So
here
she
before.
fought her kid.
She fought her kid?
Yeah, her kid started. Apparently, she
How
fought her
old's the
back.
kid?
I don't know. I didn't talk to her yet. That's who Cliff was talking to.
They come here. We didn't go there. We weren't even there. We were out. And they come here.
Okay, well,
But
when that
nothing
happens,
But nothing happens.
you call the police. And say,
Ma'am, we're here about what happened today, ma'am. I don't know about all this stuff in the past, okay?
We don't know nothing about this.
All I know is that she admitted to fighting the girl. It's on video. My partner saw what he saw, so she's currently detained and in custody, most likely under arrest, okay? And then she tried to assault her, and that led to what it led to, and you saw that, okay? We're handling what we're handling today. You don't think she's going to get anything? Why is that?
Because that's the way you guys are.
Okay.
That mentally disturbed child.
Uh-huh.
She's mentally handicapped by the government.
Right.
But that's a perfectly normal human being.
Yeah.
And they come down here and try to attack us. We were getting our car. We weren't even there. My daughter told me that said there was a whole house, that yard full of people trying to attack her. We come home.
There's photographs on my daughter's camera where she went up
And
there
they come after us.
and Camp police jumped her up there and beat the hell out of her. Took her to the hospital.
Well, sir, unfortunately, I wasn't there, so I can't comment on that.
right now.
And the cops said, well, she's going to jail, and the doctor said, no, she's not.
Okay,
Said
camera's
she's
over there.
mentally disabled, she can't go to jail.
But she'll be put in jail.
She can't go to jail because she's mentally disabled?
She
That's
is
what the
mentally
Dr.
disabled.
Altman
No.
said after the Camp police beat the hell out of her last summer.
Well,
That's
I think she's going to jail today.
What did she have? What's she diagnosed with?
She has bipolar. She has ADHD.
Okay.
She has a depressive disorder.
Okay.
And she has a mood disorder.
Okay.
It is all documented.
Okay, well, that's,
She
that's
goes down.
all those reasons.
There's
all-
no reason for you.
there's
But
no
that
reason
woman.
She can't go to jail.
Right. But that woman. That
she's
is
going to jail.
The one who just got cuffed and placed in a car.
She's not going to jail. She just tried to fight with cops. She's going to jail.
She's inside his cruiser. He's about to take her there.
Yeah, we know. She'll
Okay.
be out by today. We know how y'all are.
All right, ma'am.
How we are, it's not us. You got to get her to the hospital right now.
The daughter?
Yeah, Dad took off. Mom's detained.
They're finding out right now. They're finding out.
They're over at 1634.
I don't have time. I got to get her to the hospital right now.
Where's that, Dad?
We're going to Altman. I think that's what Mom said. Yeah, and that's closest. So we're going to Altman.
I'll let them know.
Let them know. We just got to get it.
Yeah, I know. I got you.
Get this car to move.
Yeah, I talked to him.
Hey, you guys got to get out of the way.
The 19-year-old initially faced assault and disorderly conduct charges and pleaded not guilty. Court records later showed additional charges, including felonious assault, aggravated assault, resisting arrest, obstructing official business, and disorderly conduct, and she was later arrested on a warrant. The girl's mother was also charged with disorderly conduct and obstructing official business. The article did not report a bond amount or sentencing outcome. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.